the ceilings up there. It wasn't God doing it with me, but I think he went out to lunch. Whoa! Jesse, what are you doing here? Wait, why am I so surprised? You're always here.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, there's a giant hole in here. God. What? Dude, that's... I didn't notice it was that big.
Paying for it, period. You're paying for it.
As long as I don't have to work, I'm fine.
Oh, you're gonna work.
I'll do it later. A few weeks.
Whatever. Bob, are you coming? Guys? Guys? Are you still here? Huh? Are you? Hello? Left again. God. La da da.